In today's video, I will discuss how to regrow hair that has fallen out or become thin, or if you have developed alopecia. If this concerns you, this video is for you. My wish is to provide you with a magical remedy that can help regrow fallen hair, but there are some key points that need to be understood, especially regarding diet. So, what are hair follicles? Hair is made of protein, specifically a type of collagen. This clearly implies that consuming more protein will help hair regrow. Protein is made up of amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein. Just like bricks are the building blocks of a house, amino acids are the building blocks of the body's proteins. One of the most important amino acids is lysine. The presence or absence of lysine in the body or diet determines whether hair will regrow or not. Lysine plays a crucial role in improving hair strength and elasticity. Now, how can we get lysine from our diet? Lysine can be found in both plant-based foods and grains like wheat, millet, and rice. However, plant-based lysine doesn't have a complete profile, and its bioavailability is lower. Therefore, the body cannot utilize it as effectively as lysine from red meat. Red meat, such as beef and mutton, contains lysine. Eggs are also a good source. This becomes particularly relevant for those who do not prefer red meat or are unable to consume it due to health reasons. For those who can consume meat, grass-fed organic beef is not only healthy, but also essential for the body, as it provides high-quality protein, especially lysine. An added benefit of lysine is that it helps the body absorb iron. Many individuals suffering from hair loss also have low iron levels, and iron is crucial for the production of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin transports oxygen throughout the body, including the scalp, ensuring that the hair follicles receive adequate oxygen and nutrients. Iron deficiency can manifest as hair loss. Therefore, it is essential to maintain proper iron levels in the body to support hair growth. When the body is under stress, the demand for lysine increases. If lysine is not available, stress-induced hair loss can occur. Another factor contributing to hair loss is gut inflammation, specifically in the small or large intestines. When there is inflammation, the body may struggle to absorb lysine properly. To address this, it is important to avoid gluten, which causes gut inflammation and hinders the digestion of proteins and other minerals, leading to hair loss. Gut health plays a significant role in hair growth. Recent studies have discussed the positive impact of a carnivore diet on individuals experiencing hair loss. I personally do not follow a carnivore diet, as I enjoy vegetables and plant-based proteins. However, for those with gut inflammation or issues like leaky gut, a carnivore diet may be worth trying for at least a month, as it can have a profound effect on the digestive system and hair health. Think of the digestive system as the roots of a plant, which are invisible but crucial for the plant's health. If the roots are compromised, the plant hair will suffer. Moreover, gut flora plays a crucial role in lysine absorption. Friendly bacteria in the digestive system help absorb lysine and convert proteins into amino acids, including lysine. If the gut flora is disturbed due to poor eating habits or a diet rich in processed foods, fried foods, or external contaminants, this can lead to imbalances in the gut and affect hair health, causing issues like dandruff or other skin conditions. Antibiotics are a major threat to these friendly bacteria, so replacing antibiotics with probiotics can help restore balance. By including probiotic foods in your diet, such as fresh yogurt, buttermilk, pickles, and kimchi, you may notice not only a reduction in hair loss, but also an improvement in the thickness and health of new hair growth. I would also like to discuss the hormone DHT dihydrotestosterone, a potent form of testosterone that can damage hair follicles and cause thinning. Many hair loss treatments target DHT inhibition. Natural DHT inhibitors, such as those found in red meat, nuts, like almonds and cashews, fish, and grains, can help block this harmful process. By consuming red meat, you not only receive lysine, but also inhibit DHT, which helps reduce hair loss. Lysine also helps lower triglyceride levels in the blood and regulates cholesterol. This is because lysine helps produce carnitine, a substance that converts fat into energy in the body's mitochondria. Red meat provides lysine, which helps produce carnitine, activating mitochondria, enhancing energy metabolism, and making you feel more energetic after consumption. Lysine also reduces cortisol, the stress hormone, thus directly contributing to stress reduction. Chronic stress is a major contributor to hair loss, as it increases DHT levels and leads to alopecia. Cortisol, being a catabolic hormone, breaks down body tissues, and prolonged stress activates cortisol, which disrupts the body's processes, including hair growth. Take care, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.